Thank you so much guys for the first video, and we love the response. What do you think?
Let's just start with an awkward notice. I was filming something else, so if you see me in a weird kind of get up, that is the result.
It's okay, she's just acting herself, it's alright. So without much ado, we are going to talk about something which I have always wanted to work on, which is weird snacks which we don't know what it is and therefore we don't eat it. Yeah, this is the big seaweed. So this is the first thing we are going to taste. This one is one of my favorite. It's like a big sheet and it comes in like a instant, vacuum seal scenes. Here, cheers.
Cheers.
And this is how you eat it. You take a small bite out of it, and what you do is you kind of let it sit on your tongue so that you can feel the umami kind of get it. And this is the spicy hot version, so you'll be able to feel the heat after it. What do you think?
It's not at all spicy. Zero spice.
Really?
It's got this fishy flavor.
Yeah, but the seaweed is supposed to be fishy. So this one, what I really like is that this is a big sheet which has got about 8 of these. If you don't like eating a lot of sodium, then this might be not for you. But if you do, then that's a good thing, right?
Just what I do. Like everything he takes pictures of gets translated.
Yeah, and sometimes the translation is really crappy, but sometimes the translation is really good. So one sachet, 28 grams, number of serving per pack 1. Nutritional value per unit of total is 200 energy from fat 170. This is about 8 sheets of this, and this is about 200 calories, which is not bad because you generally tend to eat just a tiny bit. I have something here. This is called a sea snack, and it is made of crab. This one is about 130 calories, and serving size is 1 pack. 1 pack is 25 grams. Now, I picked this stuff up from the Thai festival that was happening earlier this month, and if you check me out on my Facebook or follow me on Instagram at Manushwari, you will get some live updates about what I did during the Thai festival. It also looks slightly like the prawn chips that we get here in Kolkata, but I would say definitely with a more crabby smell, and it's way thinner. Like I can actually smell, I don't know, maybe there's a little bit of crab. Why am I smelling corn? I don't know.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, great chips. And
I like it.
For 25 grams, one package, it's only 130 calories. So, and this has got like a good deal of crab in it. So, I would say it's not a bad option. There is about 4% of sugar in it and 11% fat. And 15% sodium, 15% of your required daily amount. So you may think about it before you eat it, but this one is pretty decent. This particular crab chips retailed in Kolkata at I think 30 rupees or something, and in Thailand I think I have seen something similar to this, and that costs about 10 baht or so. So I think that's a great option when you are going there and you want a quick snack. Last particular scene, we are looking at the crispy fish original flavor. This is like a big bag of fishy chips. It's cooked with vegetable oil. This stuff has got about 60% of fish in it, and the rest is tapioca starch, sugar and salt. So it has got a texture and flavor which is slightly similar to the tapioca chips that we eat here. Without further ado, and this is a big pack, so one serving is 1/3 of this pack. So okay,
This looks kind of different, and we had everything like it.
Oh my god!
It might be spicy. What do you like of the sweet?
I love the fact that this is sweet and fishy. I know that sounds weird, but that's the truth. And it's really crispy, so it's got this way of scooping things up. So if you are looking at a party snack which you can serve with a dip, this is going to be the best thing. This one is, I think, something that I would like to have with a glass of beer or a glass of wine, because this is kind of like very neutral and very nice and very chewy. I like it. This one is my time pass thing. I think I eat this the most when
I like this best. I like
this one best.
Yeah, I like this best.
So this one I actually got about 10 packages of this.
What?
Because, yeah.
What? What?
No, I didn't get it.
What?
I did not get it.
Now I'm gonna find it.
Okay, but
Can you put this in sushi?
no, you can't. Actually, okay. Disclaimer: this term cannot be put on sushi because for sushi, the seaweed that you eat, it is way. It has to be more emollient and it has to roll. Okay, this stuff is difficult to roll. So no, don't use it on sushi. But what you can use it on is on ramen. So if you have like a whole steaming bowl of ramen, you just chop up a few of these and put it in the ramen bowl. This tastes incredible.
When am I getting my ramen?
Next episode, I swear. You're toughing. You're sick. You're not well enough to have ramen.
You do eat ramen when you're not well.
I am actually really surprised and pleasantly so by these. This is very, very fishy, I think, and sweet. And this will be really nice if I am hosting a party and I can serve this with a dip, which is going to be spicy, or maybe something like a salsa. I do like that. Like, I know that you can eat it on its own, but if you really want to make it something different, then this is like a great way of doing. And I sort of really like this, but do you guys want a squid edition of this?
Of course.
If you guys want a squid edition of this, please comment that you want a squid edition where I can show you a few snacks which I really like and that features one of my favorite things, the squid or the cuttlefish. So let us know if you want to see more snack attack videos and more videos which is going to show off different kinds of snacks from around the globe and how you eat it and how they taste and what do you think about it? What do I think about it rather? And if you want to know how she does her Lolita fashion thing, follow her on her channel and we have going to link that down there. And also we both have our individual websites, we have our social media channels, so please follow us there because we would really like your opinion. And once again, thank you so much for watching the two of us. You guys have a great day and we will see you next time.